guys, so we're gonna be going on our nightly walk. So we just finished eating our snacks, but we didn't have dinner.
And she practiced violin.
Yeah, anyways.
So there.
Okay, so we were supposed to go to the pool area, but
There's a
there
lot
are
of
a lot of
people.
people.
They're still working something.
Oh, it's traffic. I'm not there.
I know, yes.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Nakakaya mag-ask. Hi.
A few moments later.
May tatanong lang kami. Okay, yay! So ano sa tingin mo kami? Magkapatid, magkaibigan, magpinsan, or mag-ina? Magnanay. Ang bilis mo naman. Sasabihin mo magkapatid. So bakit mo naisip yun? Pero maliban sa lagi mo kami nakikita dito, di ba? Wow, galing naman ni ate! So, dahil dyan, you're very good and thank you. At naisipan mo magkapatid. Usually, nagkakamala kami magkapatid. Kakastart lang. Actually, ito ay first drop. So, kinakabahan kami, tapos namin doon nagtatanong, sayaw nila. Thank you po. Babalikan sa inyo sa mga susunod at we have a surprise for you.
Thank you po. Yeah.
So, we're just gonna be asking 10 random people.
We've
We
asked
already have 2. Actually, 4 na, pero others don't want.
Yeah.
Kasi ayaw daw nila sa amin. Ano sa tingin niyo kami? Mag-ano kami? Magkaibigan, kapatid, pinsan, nanay? Magkapatid! Oh my God! Magnanay po kami. Yes. Yeah, she is my only daughter. Turning 16? Yes.
Both pretty.
Thank you
You
po.
too, ate.
Thank you. Thank you. God bless po.
God bless po. Bye-bye.
Yeah, she's very good. She's very, very good. May tatanong lang kami, sa tingin mo, magkaano-ano kami? So, what do you think ang relationship namin?
Magkapatid, mag-ina,
Magkaibigan, magkapatid, magpinsan? How about you? Ganun din? Magtatay, magnanay, maglolo, maglola. Magnanay mo? Ang galing mo naman. Paano mo nalaman? Magkaway kami. Talaga? Saan banda? Talaga? Amazing. First drop to, so yeah, isa sa mga earliest episodes namin. So thank you, Kuya.
Thank you po.
Ingat sa pag-drive. Bye! Okay, so we went in to get some treats. Ano, sa tingin mo, magkaano-ano kami?
Super magkapatid.
There, we got the treats and the 50 pesos na bibilhin natin na lumpia.
As promised.
As promised, bumalik kami para kay Kuya kasi nakahiya naman. So, papalabas na ulit ang mga Madam Bertwood. So, andito na naman kami guys sa dinaanan namin kanina na nahihiya si Cooks.
Cooks, oh my god.
Nahihiya si Weishi. Dahil we're here.
As promised po.
Ayan, bumalik na kami. Kasi, na-realize namin dapat pala may something kami. Thank you. So, dahil dyan, you get to receive some stuff from us. Little stuff lang. So, yeah. Enjoy! Thank you!
Thank you po.
So, sweet treat from Macau. Good night. Thank you, Kuya. Hey! So, we're back.
Yeah, and I'm sweating so much.
So what's your take for tonight's activity?
I think it's fine. Like, it was good whenever people would actually cooperate, but those who like said no really kind of scared me, because aside from, I mean, I have no problem with them saying no, but the thing is, there were so many people like around and they were looking.
And you're being
So-
rejected.
Yeah, well, that was so embarrassing. So
Mm, well, yeah, kasi bata ka pa. But for me, it's normal. Kasi in my job, even because I'm doing online, right? So, it's the same. A lot of people you're offering your services to, tapos they will say no. And it's also very disheartening. And during the time, like yung mga early days ko sa Web3 space, I wanna give up also kasi ang sakit-sakit every time ma-reject. Pero naging bato na ako. So, I had to just really continue with what I'm doing, and until I became the top BD, and I have all of these things. If hindi ako tumuloy, if I stop dahil nagpadala ako dun sa mga sinasabi ng mga iba, di ba, yung mga sa mga rejections and everything, and if I allowed myself to feel bad about it, so I wouldn't be able to achieve what I have achieved so far. So that's normal. I think we just have to accept na sometimes hindi laging yes ang sagot sa mga bagay. So yung mga plans mo sometimes na mess up talaga. But at the end of the day, diba, we went home na masaya kasi ang dami naming mga nakausap na mga makukulit din and mga cooperative. We made so many friends and we made them happy somehow. Tapos there were two last ladies, hindi na namin sila film. Kasi may dalawa pa kaming sweets, so
chocolate.
we just gave it to those two ladies para they will have some dessert kasi dumaan kami sa parang
Food area.
yeah, food area dito sa my condo.
Yeah.
So yun lang, it was fun and I do hope that you guys will enjoy the content somehow. Pasensya na sa mga angles, talagang we're still learning. Eventually, we're gonna be having a device na to be really used for this one, but for now, syempre, yung budget natin ay very limited for this, so we're just making use of whatever we have.
And guys, if ever you go here sa Shore Residences, there's a restaurant called One Pod, if I'm not mistaken, and you guys will meet like the sweetest staff there. And go eat at their restaurant because we will too, and maybe we will go and eat there and
We
share
will.
our experience with you guys so that y'all can go visit and yeah.
Yeah, and naging follower pa namin yung assistant manager nila. Is very kind, very friendly, and even yung isang staff, and busy lang yung isang supervisor, but she would have contributed to for this content. But anyways, we're gonna be seeing them again because we're just near their place. So yeah, that's all for tonight. Enjoy, guys.
Bye.